Here are my top 3 viral home building videos for March.
Alright, let's see if you guys can hear the difference. This is all rock wool insulation. It is insanely quiet in here. Made one turn. What do you think, Kippy?
It's like so quiet that it's almost so loud. It's very strange.
Okay, go Kippy.
10 of my favorite home products from this year's Builder Show in Vegas. Number 10, Murphy Bed. These guys are known for their hidden doors, but their stowaway beds are a no-brainer for a new construction or remodel. This could eliminate the need for a dedicated guest room. Number 9, ceiling mounted vanity mirrors. These mirrors are mounted to the ceiling, perfect if you go with a vanity island, but could possibly be used with your standard vanity. Now this might not be for everyone, but I still think it's a cool idea. Number 8, PEX manifold system. You can shut off each individual water line throughout the house. This has been in my checklist from day one, but seeing this thing in person makes me so jealous I don't have it on my house right now. Number 7, tub armor. So these production builds are in desperate need of a product like this. But keep in mind, if this thing gets a tear and debris gets behind the material, you essentially have sandpaper up against the tub if someone's stepping on it. Either way, I'm just happy someone's trying to address the issue of damaged tubs. Number 6, hidden drain sinks. Made by Kraus, at first glance, you don't see these drains. They're built on the backside. And don't worry, these built-in screens will match the sink color. These are black for display purposes only. Number 5, plumbing access panel. These have been around for 1,000 years, but this seamless panel is legit. I like how they use these magnets to lock the panel in place. Number 4, adjustable slide-out shelves. This makes you wonder how we've gone this long without them. You can move these slide-out shelves up and down to accommodate your needs. They're made by Revishelf. Number 3, under sink composter. So Kraus revealed this insane gadget that takes food from the disposal, and instead of just sending it to waste, it processes it so it can be used for compost. It uses heat and UV light to further break down the food and make it a clean, sanitary process. Now, it's not available just yet, but it should be soon. Number 2, hot water hose bib. So this is made by Aquar. We've all been begging these guys to make a hot water version of their hose bibs, and here it is. These are in high demand at the moment, so if you get your hands on one, make sure you post it all over the internet to make everyone jealous. And number 1 is a built-in water dispenser. So this is number 1 because it's a simple fix to a simple problem. No need for another hole in the counter. This filtered water dispenser is built into the Kraus kitchen faucet. You can use this faucet like normal, and with that same handle, you can get drinking water that's directly connected to the filtration system under the sink. So smart. All right, let me know in the comments, which one of these is your favorite? And I gotta ask, is there any chance that you'll go to IBS next year? And make sure you're following along so you're the first to see next month's viral videos.